5, 4, 3, 2, 1, T0.
And we have liftoff of the Black Brain 11 carrying IRVE-3.
Plus 10 seconds.
GPS is tracking.
Plus 20 seconds.
Beautiful view of the rocket.
Plus 30 seconds.
Got good third stage ignition, Squib.
Plus 40 seconds.
Now in third stage burn, Black
Pyro
Brain motor.
bus is enabled.
Plus 50 seconds.
Should be coming up on
Verify all
burnout.
lanyards stripped.
Plus 1 minute.
These are the onboard cameras you're seeing. Actually, they're payload cameras. You can see the D-spin just
We've got
occurred.
third stage. We got D-spin. Have payload separation.
ACS
As you
rate
heard-
damp successful.
As you heard, we just had a clear
Confirm motor
payload
separation, brake
separation.
wire. Nose cone, Squib current. Verify nose cone, micro switch. Receiving 422 data from the valve controller.
You can see the Earth if you look at the screen now. Such a beautiful view. If you look, you can see the motor falling away in the upper part of the screen now.
Still receiving clean telemetry data.
We're expecting inflation of the payload at about 7 minutes after launch. We're actually T plus 3 minutes and 45 seconds. So we have a few minutes to go for that. These are stunning views of our Earth.
current altitude is 455 kilometers and increasing.
Tank heater is on. Heaters drawing current.
The rocket's currently flying over 280 miles high. We just reached apogee.
Seen
469 kilometers.
Seen some large variations in signal strength.
We reached apogee at about 285 miles. The payload reached that. The payload is now descending. We should see inflation in approximately 30 seconds. It takes approximately 3 minutes for the experiment to fully inflate.
Bag cutter number 1. Bag cutter number 2.
A lot of cheering in the range control center right now as we see the beginning of the inflation taking place.
We have a inflation command number 1.
And RC, ROA, channel 1.
RC.
Are you away from the pad so we can start working on the Viper?
Yes, we're away.
LPM, ROA, channel 1.
Go ahead, ROA.
We have our coordinates for the pad.
Roger.
ACS aligned and pitch. And enroll.
CGO bus enabled. Aft 0 degrees on.
ACS errors below degree.
IRVE-3 is returning to Earth and descending in altitude, as you're able to see from the screen that you're watching.
CGO 180.
ACS errors above 5 degrees. 16.7.
0
Rate
degree.
damping.
CGO 180 degree on. That's dropouts on telemetry. CGO 0 degrees on. Dropouts on telemetry.
Tokina still has good data.
CGO bus is disabled, I believe. We have a data back a little bit here at readout. It's in and out.
A lot of celebrating in the control center by the IRVE-3 team. This mission was 3 years in the making, and a lot of hard work that appears to have paid off for the team.
TM readout has no data for about the last 30 seconds here.
Tokina has LOS.